Hello guys and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm at the junkyard. And today I am looking at some Chrysler 300Cs here. They have like 7 models. This is the newest one that came in, this silver one here. This is a limited version just like mine, and I was hoping to have a bumper that's going to actually be perfect. But this bumper is actually far from perfect. It's actually got some damages. Let me show you some of these damages. Well, first of all, I do need this headlight over here. It looks like somebody tried to buff it out before. It is quite faded, so I'm not going to be really using that. And take a look at this damage right here next to the grill. There's lots of damage here to fix, and especially over here around the fender area, the connectors are broken, so I can't really use this. So off to the next one, and there's like about 7 models to choose from here. All of them are just like regular models. So this is a red one here. This bumper is quite faded. This is not a limited version. The bumper is kind of like a limited version, but this seems like a 6-cylinder type of version. It does have some cracks in the bumper. Everything's fine up here towards the top. The connectors are fine, but look at this big crack over here. Now, I can't fix this, but I mean, if you're at the junkyard, you're not going to get a discount for this at all for these damages. So I'm going to have to pretty much live with it. Now, if you are basically buying bumpers and if there's a grill inside, they will charge you extra for the grill or the fog lights. So I will be removing this grill and the fog lights. This is the only 2 choices I have, the silver and red. So I'm going to go ahead and get this red. I'm not going to bore you with the details of removing this bumper. However, I will be installing it on my Chrysler. This bumper will cost me 47 bucks. Well, anyways, guys, I end up getting the red one. All of the parts, including a light and the grill, cost me $80. So it's time for me to actually install one light that I bought, one of the originals, and things like that. I already have pre-fitted the bumper. Everything fits really nicely. So right now I'm gonna fit the light that I actually purchased. This is the left headlight. Everything is fitting. I have all the electricals. I did realize that I don't have the fog light wires. I probably should have bought them while I was at the junkyard, but I will need a few more things, like my seatbelt is locked up, so I'm gonna need that. I have airbags that's coming for the steering wheel and curtain airbags from my buddy in Minnesota. He was kind enough to actually buy them for me and actually send them over, because apparently in Charlotte or in South Carolina, they don't sell airbags from junkyards because of some kind of law. But anyways, we're going to start fitting this right headlamp here. Now, this is not going to be the look that I'm going to be going for. However, I did end up getting it right now because I'm still working on it, and for the time being, this is going to be fine. I will be going with a different type of look, which would be LED type of headlights, and I would like a Bentley style bumper or Chrysler SRT type of bumper. But at this point, the junkyard did not offer, obviously, the LED lights. They don't have that. I'm gonna have to get them on eBay. And I will be providing the links of which ones I'm going to get, and I want to also show you what kind I'm going to get. And I'm basically pre-fitting this bumper. Most likely I will end up painting it black. Jason, I need your help. I need your help. Hold this, push on it. Push on it. My 5-year-old, Jason, he's actually kind enough to help me. I actually called him over. I've seen him riding his 4-wheeler. This is why. This is forward. Push here hard. Push hard. Jason really likes messing with cars. He always tries to help me anytime he can. And here's our new little kitty. This is our kitten that was a gift to us from our friends. Really sweet kitty. It's a female type of cat. We haven't decided what kind of name we're gonna name her. Oh, at this point, I'm trying to basically pry out the plastic tips. I do have a special tool for it. And look how cute. Jason brought me a little leaf and then he showed it to you guys. And I am not noticing him, so I really feel bad for him. It's kind of cute that he actually finds this kind of stuff and brings it. A little while ago when I had the actual sounds on, you probably heard Kevin playing piano in the background. He really enjoys music and playing piano. So as soon as he's gonna come out, I'm gonna try to get him involved in the actual process of fixing the car. Well, here's Kevin. He's helping me out with my bumper. He is growing up so quickly and learning so much. He really enjoys using all my tools, and I let him. He builds a little project. He's like a little inventor. We're going to sand it. We're going to paint it. Color.
I found a real color from it.
Really?
I found a real black.
So, what do you think? Looks better?
It does not look the same because it doesn't have something right here. But the grill,
Well, we have a grill. We could insert the grill.
yeah, we could insert this. We already have that.
Well, the final piece is going to be in the installation of this grill. And I actually got a surprise from my boys. As soon as we installed this grill, I ended up taking them to see a police car that they wanted to see downtown in Lancaster. So they really had fun in this military style police vehicle. I really don't know like what it's called, but it's very, very, very tough. And please hit a like if you guys appreciate me cutting this video down from 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.